Stop. Look at these toy boxes. One box has 10 toys, another has only 2, and the last one has 6. That's totally unfair. We need one magic number that makes all boxes equal. That special sharing number is called the mean. Let's use a simple two-step method to find this equal share number. We follow 2 steps. First, make a big pile by adding all numbers. Next, divide that pile by how many numbers we have. This gives us a fair sharing number that represents the group. Here is our data set 4, 6, 8, 10. First, we create the big pile by adding all numbers. The total big pile is 28. Now we divide 28 by 4, since there are 4 numbers. So the equal share value for this data set is 7. Here is our next data set, 3, 5, 7, 10, and 15. First, we create the big pile by adding all numbers together. The total big pile is 40. Now we divide 40 by 5, because there are 5 numbers. So the equal share value for this data set is 8. Try finding the equal share value for this data set. Pause and calculate the mean now. Here is the answer. Here's one more practice question. Pause and find the equal share number. Here is the correct mean. Let's quickly recap what we learned about the mean. Mean gives one fair number representing the whole group. To find the mean, we add all numbers and divide by how many we have. The mean helps us compare different sets of scores or data. Great job today! You have mastered the equal share idea of the mean. Tap subscribe, and see you next time.